So apparently there was an incident. Somebody must have kicked a rock up and hit my windshield, caused a little bit of damage. Now, I'm not going to say I didn't get a little bit upset, but mostly I was all right with it. Oh, I was just happy that nobody got hurt. And you know what they say, forgive your fellow man. That's just the way I was raised. And I really hope the best for them. No ill will or anything like that. I'll tell you, I'm actually sort of surprised with how well I took the whole thing. Did I get a little bit upset? Maybe. It was mostly like an under the breath type of thing, but I believe I showed strength and, I just put it behind me. I'll be fine. Okay, so it is what it is. The damage is done, but I remember seeing something on Pinterest about this fabulous glass fixer. It was a liquid auto glass windshield whatever. It's a windscreen repair resin. You've probably seen this video right here. Oh, this is so cool looking. Look at that broken glass on my screen. Oh, I'm just gonna put that on my cell phone. Oh, that's real nice, that nanotechnology. Oh, but it's good for car glass as well. No need to replace. What about scratch glasses? Well, that's real nice like. Oh, I'll just fill this in right here. Oh, look, I didn't get no special tool with mine. Well, this stuff's just miracle, but will it work? Let me buy some with my hard-earned money. Oh, that's cool. Yep. Their ad said I can save a lot of Monray. Well, with advertising like that, how can I say no? Question is, does it work as good as they say it does? I mean, it looked awesome on the video. We're gonna put it to the test. I'm not sure how well this is picking it up, but I do have a little dent right here. That's where the chip hit. And there's a line, a crack that goes all the way up, all the way around, up to this point over here. Maybe you can see a little bit better this way. All right, so in the kit that I got, which ran me I think around $11, you get 2 bottles or 2 vials of the repair resin. Then you got these like plastic screens, which if you have a bigger dent, you can put the stuff in and then you pretty much put this down on top of it and it should stop it from spreading. You also get a razor blade where you can scrape this stuff off. But in the video that they showed, they're just putting this stuff on the crack and it's filling in like magic and all that. That's what I want to do. I want to see if it works the same way it does in that video that I showed you. All right, so what I did was I washed the windshield. I dried it off. It's sitting out in the UV light and the sunlight like it's saying, and well, we're just going to apply it. All right, so right here is the chip. We're just going to basically run a bead from here up, and then if we have to scrape more off, we'll scrape more off. But I'm telling you, it's supposed to be this magic stuff. I'm really curious to see if this is going to work, and to be quite honest with you, if worst comes to worst, I just get a new windshield. But I really want to put this stuff to the test, so we're just going to start and go whoop, all the way up. So let's do it. All right, so with the razor blade that they sent me, I'm just going to open this up like so. I'm going to do it in like a slant, like you would caulking. Oh, okay, it's starting to come out a little bit. There you go. All right, I think we're good there. All right, let's try it. All right, right here is that little crack. Just run this all the way up like they said. Oh, I just kind of squeeze it there. Really not sure how well this crack is picking up on the camera. The bottle, I don't know how they got it to come out. Maybe they just sort of cut the hole bigger up in the top. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'm gonna cut this hole a little bit bigger. I just don't want this stuff like all over the place. All right, I made the hole a little bit larger. Really? Okay. There it is, just oozing and goozing. Stuff is supposed to just seep down in. You're not even supposed to see it. Okay. Well, I got a bunch of different blades, so this one right here is sort of oozing down. So I'm just going to squeegee this down like so. Now I should be just filling in that crack, but I will tell you, I'm not noticing any freaking difference. If anything, it actually looks worse. It looks worse. Oh wow, that really just got like darker. I mean, maybe on the inside? I don't know. Let me try the inside here. I don't even think you can do that. That's not what they did on the commercial. Yeah, it's not even gonna work. So let me put it on there and let it set, I guess. I don't know. I'm just gonna ooze it on like they did. I mean, they just really let it go. It's a mess. All right, I'm not sure how well this is picking up, but I done oozed it and goozed it just like they did on the video. And I'll be honest with you, it actually looks worse what it did. I mean, come on, man. I gotta scrape some of this stuff off. I mean, it should have sat down in. It was supposed to mix in with all the other fibers and blah, 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 blah. And, tell you what, let me try it one more time. I'm gonna take this ooey gooey. I'm gonna go on the inside. I'm just gonna see if I can scrape it in that crack. I don't know. I mean, it's supposed to fill in by itself. I mean, you've seen it. And it's not doing anything. It's just making a mess all over the window. Ah, I hate that noise. Now, I'm hoping you can see this, but if anything, this stuff is just making a freaking mess on my windshield. And if anything, it's a horrible noise. It's just going to cause me more headaches. So what I'm going to do is I'm just wiping this stuff off. I mean, it should have seeped down in. Should have done its thing, but it didn't. It was just crap. I know you're supposed to let it harden, but I mean, come on. There's no hardening. The only hardening is going to be is right on the face of my windshield, and I'm going to be really upset. And it didn't do anything it was supposed to do. Not even that chip. Yeah, even the bigger chip down here that we had, I would have thought that would have at least cleaned it up, but nothing. It just, El Crapo. Now again, I'm not sure if you can see. I guess it depends on which way the light's hitting it, but that crack is just, I'm gonna have to get a new windshield. I was hoping that this would work. Now, this is a mess now. And if I let that dry, like they said, it would have been all over the freaking place. It is just a nightmare. I mean, looky. For shame. All right, so usually when I do videos like this, I get comments both ways. If I like something, then I'm a shill. If I don't like something, I didn't use it right, and blah, 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 blah. Whatever. This was not supposed to do what it did. It was supposed to go on, like the video told me it was supposed to do, and just fill in the cracks and it was gonna look brand new. It's junk. If you wanna buy it, buy it. But would I recommend you buying this? No, it's crap. I'll just get my windshield fixed. Probably won't cost me anything anyway because I got insurance. So that is why I brought this. I was hoping it would work. I seen it. I was pretty amazed by it, but it's not real nice like. I want to know what you think. Have you used this stuff? Did it work like it was supposed to? Leave me a comment in the comments section below. Love hearing your feedback and what others think about the stuff that we bring on this channel. If you like this video, get subscribed, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on anything new coming to the channel. And if you could smash that like button. That'd be freaking awesome. With that, we'll be back with more videos soon.